Ducks. They're diabolical. They poop everywhere. They're noisy. They're difficult to round up in the evening. Right now they're being a bit troublesome, so this morning we're going to try moving their house, which is down under that pine, to a spot where we can more easily herd them into at night time. So first up, we're just gonna muck out that duck pen and then shift it and hopefully set it up like a palace for them this evening. Moment of truth. They're not interested. They were following him before. 4 minutes. That's at least 10 minutes faster than average. Good night, little duckies. Thank you for going into your home.